Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Tech Explorer's channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today we have something truly special, new tech gadgets to share with you. Today we're thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking innovation in healthcare, Forward Care Pods, the world's first AI doctor's office. Let's dive into how these care pods are transforming the way we approach health. Imagine having advanced medical care at your fingertips, wherever you go. Forward Care Pods blend cutting-edge AI with top-notch medical expertise to create an immersive, self-serve experience that puts you in control of your health. As soon as you step into a care pod, it becomes your personalized gateway to a wide range of health apps. These apps are designed to tackle today's health issues and prevent tomorrow's problems, offering advanced diagnostics, personalized health plans, and a premium in-person experience. Enjoy on-demand access to a variety of services, including disease detection, biometric body scans, and blood testing. Whether you're at the mall, gym, or office, CarePods are there to support your health journey. Forward is expanding rapidly with plans to double its footprint in 2024, launching in major cities like San Francisco, New York, Chicago, and Philadelphia. Forward uses proprietary AI to transform clinical expertise and the latest medical research into powerful diagnostic tools and comprehensive care plans. Engage with health apps and care pods or on the Forward mobile app to address a wide range of conditions like diabetes, hypertension, and mental health issues such as depression and anxiety. Your health data and personalized plans are continuously updated and always accessible through the Forward mobile app. Unlike an AI-based chat app, all care decisions are made by Forward clinicians, ensuring you have expert guidance every step of the way, from prenatal care to advanced cancer screening and polygenic risk analysis. Forward is constantly expanding its health apps to cover more areas, helping you achieve optimal health through the latest medical protocols. Forward Care Pods are revolutionizing healthcare, making advanced medical care accessible on every street corner. Step into a care pod and take charge of your health today. Super excited to introduce a game-changing gadget that will revolutionize how you work and present. Meet the CheerDots 2. It's not just a mouse, it's your ultimate all-in-one tech companion. Let's dive in. Say hello to CheerDots 2, the device that combines the best of both classic and futuristic technology. Imagine having an air mouse, touchpad, laser pointer, and recording pen all in one sleek, compact device. Whether you're studying, delivering a speech, or taking notes, CheerDots 2 is your ideal gadget. Transform your CheerDots 2 into a powerful presentation tool by simply removing its cover. It offers professional presentation features with spotlights, red light signs, and green laser pointer modes. Recording meetings or speeches has never been easier. With just a single tap, CheerDots 2 captures every spoken word, ensuring you don't miss any important detail. Access and review the recorded content, including audio, transcribed text, and auto-generated summaries, anytime via the CheerDots 2 AI software. Long meetings piling up your notes? No problem. CheerDots 2 quickly sorts your meeting summaries with a simple click. It organizes your notes effortlessly so you can focus on what truly matters. CheerDots 2 redefines convenience with its stylish, detachable design. It serves as both a mouse and a touchpad, allowing you to customize unique gestures for a personalized experience. Enjoy the freedom of uninterrupted usage with its impressive 20+ days battery life on a single full charge. CheerDots 2 is not your usual mouse. It's a powerful, multifunctional tool that brings together style, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Upgrade your work and presentation game with CheerDots 2. What an amazing new technology that's making waves in the boating world. Literally, meet the Overboat, a revolutionary hydrofoil boat that's fun, easy to handle, and environmentally friendly. Let's dive in. Equipped with the latest generation of articulated hydrofoils, the Overboat automatically stabilizes while cruising. Thanks to its exclusive and patented pitch regulation technology, you get exceptional control, making it tough, fun, and easy to handle. Say goodbye to noise and CO2 pollution. The Overboat features an electric propulsion system that's environmentally friendly, using just 10% of the energy consumed by traditional boats with internal combustion engines at the same speed. Enjoy a peaceful and green ride every time. With the Overboat 100F, you can experience the unique sensation of flying over the waves in complete safety. It's designed for everyone aged 15 and up, making it accessible for a wide variety of users. Whether you're an individual individual buyer, a rental provider, or a large business, the Overboat is perfect for you. Its unique design makes it versatile and a great match for any user. Choose the model that fits your needs and start flying over the water. The Overboat is a compact, environmentally friendly catamaran that offers an unparalleled riding experience. Fly smoothly over choppy waves up to 0.4 m, 18 in above the water, completely silent and emission-free. It's so easy to use, no special boating ability is required. In summary, the Overboat is a noiseless, environmentally friendly way to ride the waves. Its compact size means you can easily bring it wherever you go. Experience the future of boating with Overboat. We have an incredible tool that's about to revolutionize your workshop. The SS Simder SD 5010 Pro 5-in-1 welder and hot stapler. Let's dive into this groundbreaking multi-process combo that's perfect for all your welding and soldering needs. Meet the SS Simder SD 5010 Pro, the world's first 5-in-1 welder, hot stapler, and soldering iron combo. Imagine having one machine that replaces 5 different tools. It keeps your workshop tidy and makes outdoor projects a breeze. With a wide voltage range of 96-240V, the SD 5010 Pro adapts to various environments, giving you the flexibility to tackle any welding job. Easily adjust to each new task for the perfect weld every time. Experience the ease and power of flux core welding with the SD 5010 Pro. Perfect for home repairs and DIY projects, this gas-free, user-friendly feature excels in outdoor welding and is highly popular among DIY enthusiasts. With a 100% duty cycle at 108 amps for welding, the SD 5010 Pro ensures continuous operation for your heavy-duty projects. It's your reliable partner for demanding work, so you can keep going without interruption. Fixing cracks in plastic items has never been easier. The hot stapler function is perfect for repairing car bumpers, motorcycle fairings, plastic containers, and even household items like toys or appliances. The 90W soldering iron heats up quickly in just 15 seconds, making it ideal for assembling components on circuit boards of radios, Bluetooth speakers, and other devices. Enjoy ease and accuracy in attaching electrodes with the SD 5010 Pro. The SD 5010 Pro also features non-HF lift TIG welding, perfect for precision welding on various materials. This feature provides clean, accurate welds without the interference often associated with HF systems. Whether you're working on stainless steel, copper, or other metals, the SD 5010 Pro enhances your capabilities and broadens your project potential. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, this machine is perfect for you. Weighing only 11 pounds, the SD 5010 Pro is incredibly lightweight and easy to take on your adventures. Its strengthened steel construction makes it more durable, heat-resistant, and superior in temperature dissipation compared to plastic-built machines. The SS Simder SD 5010 Pro 5-in-1 welder and hot stapler is the ultimate tool for your workshop. It combines the best of welding, hot stapling, and soldering in one compact machine. Transform your projects and simplify your workspace with the SD 5010 Pro. We're diving into the future of workstation control with an incredible new device that's going to change the way you navigate your digital world. Meet Modu, the next-gen modular control station. Modu is a customizable modular hardware system designed for effortless navigation through your system, games, apps, and more. This next-gen multi-touch workstation controller is here to revolutionize your workflow. With Modu, you can set up any number of widgets and easily scroll through the information you need at a glance. Customize your control station to fit your specific needs and preferences. The One Touch serves as the central unit that connects all your other modules to your workstation. Glide into perfection in any app with precise and smooth control. It's your command center, making your digital interactions seamless and intuitive. Meet the Slide, Modu's motorized linear potentiometer with a touchscreen. Create quick shortcuts for scrolling through anything, from volume to contrast, zoom to tab switching to literal page scrolling. Efficiency and speed are at your fingertips. Spin towards mastery with the Spin module, featuring 3 clickable knobs complete with RGB LEDs showing current values. Control Adobe, Premiere Pro, app volumes, and more with precision and ease. Click with purpose using the Click module. assign macros, mute, unmute, launch apps, and create shortcuts with its 5 buttons. 4 monostable buttons come with color LEDs on both sides and are hot swappable, so you can choose the perfect switches for you. The 5th button acts as an on-off switch, allowing you to adapt it to your needs. Modu, the next-gen modular control station, is your ultimate customizable control hub with its versatile modules, the one touch, the slide, the spin, and the click. Modu offers unparalleled control and customization, empowering you to take charge of your digital world like never before. What about game-changing device that's set to elevate your entertainment, work, and gaming experiences? Say hello to the Guvis G3X, a revolutionary 4K OLED cinematic HMD that's lighter, slimmer, and freer than ever before. The Guvis G3X boasts dual 2K micro OLED screens, delivering an extraordinary visual experience with 1920 x 1080 pixels per eye. The 42 ppd glass aspheric lenses ensure you get the sharpest, most immersive visuals possible. This is like having a personal cinema wherever you go. Weighing only 200 grams, the G3X is incredibly lightweight and portable. Its sleek design emphasizes clean and fluid curves, making it not just functional but stylish too. The mirror reflective main unit and LED logo create a futuristic vibe that's sure to turn heads. Designed for extended use, the G3X reduces strain on your head, so you can wear it comfortably for long periods. Whether you're at home, in the car, on the go, or taking a break at work, this device fits seamlessly into your life. Enjoy your favorite content in any posture, sitting, lying down, leaning, standing, or even upside down. The screen is always right in front of your eyes. Experience a breathtaking 800-inch display from a distance of 20 meters with a field of view at 52 degrees and 42 ppd. The Guvis G3X brings a truly cinematic feel to your movies, games, and even your work documents. With an impressive 113% sRGB, every color comes to life with richness and depth. Not only does the G3X play 2D movies, but it also supports 3D content, allowing you to enjoy a vast library of high-quality 3D movies anytime, anywhere. This feature adds a whole new dimension to your viewing experience. The Guvis G3X is your ultimate portable entertainment device. It offers ultra-clear, immersive visuals and unparalleled comfort, making it perfect for any scenario. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves great visuals, the G3X is the device you've been waiting for. Revolutionary charging solution that's set to transform your daily life. Meet the Python All-in-One Charger Limited Edition, the ultimate multifunctional, high-performance charging station designed to declutter your desktop and enhance your charging experience. At Python, we're passionate about creating new knowledge for daily life. By integrating seamlessly into the daily lives of millions of families, we bring you charging solutions that are not only efficient, but also innovative. Our latest creation, the Python All-in-One Charger, harnesses the magnetic energy of the Antarctic region, transforming natural energy into living energy right at your fingertips. We all know the struggle of managing multiple chargers for our cell phones, watches, iPads, laptops, and more. With this device, you can say goodbye to the mess of charging heads and cables taking over your home. Thanks to Python's ultra-fast charging technology, this charger is smaller, faster, and cooler than ever. It can deliver 140W high-power fast charging without overheating, ensuring your devices are charged quickly and safely. The watch charging base supports pogo pin contact charging, making it incredibly easy to charge your smartwatch during disassembly and assembly. Plus, with wireless charging distributed all around, you can effortlessly charge your devices on the adjustable bracket. Inspired by the breathtaking scenery of Antarctica, the Python All-in-One Charger comes in 5 cold-toned color schemes to suit different environments. The Python All-in-One Charger Limited Edition is not just a powerful charging station, it's a symbol of innovation and efficiency. It's designed to keep your space organized, your devices charged, and your daily life running smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you're excited about what you saw as we are, make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more and get yours today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates. See you next time, Tech Explorers.